Okay, this is a silver water maker. You need 4 9-volt batteries. We're going to connect them in as a series so you can see that they're all 9-volt batteries. So what I do is I just lay them all down, connect one into the other one, as such. Okay, now I take the 2 silver wires and I put them directly in the water. Yep. And now we're going to connect up the 2 wires. This will be the black one is usually the wire that doesn't look like it looks like it's just a fresh wire. The darker one is the one that's the positive, which does all the work. Okay, so you connect the red up to the positive on the battery, which has a little plus here on the side you can see. The negative goes onto the black. As soon as I connect them up, you'll see that you'll start to see a bit of a haze coming off on the one wire on this other side over here. You can see that white film coming off. That's silver coming off in the water to make it silver water. The black wire is only a ground. It doesn't do any purpose. The bubbles on there are pure oxygen coming out of the water. But you can see the cloudiness coming off this one wire over here, and that is the silver coming in suspension in the water itself. So you can see that filmy look right there between my hand and the glass. So in this larger container, you might have to let it run for a minute or so, and then otherwise you're going to be just needing to do it just for a short time if you have a really small glass. But it's a good idea to make a larger quantity, because then you don't have to make it so often, and you'll have it all ready to go when you need to use it straight away. Okay? So go ahead and pause that off. Now you can see there's a cloudiness in the water. That is the silver in suspension in the water itself. I don't need to do anything else because this water is all ready to go. So I disconnect the batteries. First I'll take the positive side off and whatever else. That way it stops making the silver water. Just lay the clips to the side. I take the 2 silver wires that are in the water itself, use them to stir up the water, because all the particles inside are positively charged, they're going to push off each other, and now you can see there's a slight haze to the water. So you can look over here, see how it has that slight haze-looky look to it, and it's not too strong and it's not too light. And just stop for a second, and I'm going to put in my parts per million checker, and I'm going to check to make sure that it's not too strong. Putting my probe in, 24. Okay, perfect. So now we know that it's strong enough to use. It's not overly strong, and it's going to make a good batch. And this is a therapeutic level of colloidal of the silver in the water itself. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and look out for our other videos. I have one already online which is talking about the history of use of silver, and the information there is very important because that will help you to know more about what we need to talk about in the future in other events. So I'll talk to you later. I'm Brian the Healer. Thank you.